Dashboard lights that remain illuminated after your car is turned off can indicate various issues, ranging from minor software glitches to serious safety concerns. Modern vehicles from 2020 and newer feature increasingly sophisticated electronic control units and complex system interdependencies, making software-related dashboard light issues 35% more common than in older vehicles. The check engine light is the most common persistent dashboard light, indicating ongoing emissions or engine management issues that can remain on due to incomplete drive cycles. The battery or charging system light often indicates alternator or battery issues and may stay on due to parasitic drain problems that continue drawing power when the vehicle is off. ABS and brake system lights can indicate low brake fluid levels or system malfunctions, often linked to wheel speed sensor issues that require immediate attention for safety. The airbag warning light represents a serious safety concern requiring immediate attention, often caused by seat sensor problems or damaged wiring harnesses in the safety system. These persistent dashboard lights are typically triggered by 5 main root causes: parasitic electrical draw, faulty relays that stick in the on position, ECU malfunctions preventing proper sleep mode, damaged wiring, or sensor failures sending continuous signals. Ignoring persistent dashboard lights can lead to significantly more expensive repairs down the line. Early intervention saves an average of $800 per incident, making prompt attention to these warning signs crucial for both safety and financial reasons. When dashboard lights stay on, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. Let's start with universal reset procedures that work for most vehicles. The first and most effective method is the battery disconnect procedure. This resolves about 70% of software-related dashboard light issues. The second method is the key cycle reset. This involves turning the ignition on and off in specific sequences, typically 3 to 5 cycles depending on your vehicle's manufacturer. The third universal method is the fuse box reset. Remove and reinstall fuses related to the affected systems. Always check your vehicle's fuse box diagram for proper identification. If universal methods don't work, try manufacturer-specific solutions. Ford vehicles often require PCM or powertrain control module resets, while GM vehicles may need Tech 2 scanners, and Toyota or Lexus vehicles might use specific pedal sequences. If dashboard lights persist after these attempts, it's time to seek professional diagnosis. Modern diagnostic tools can identify issues that basic reset procedures cannot resolve, ensuring accurate repairs and avoiding safety risks.